Hey guys, it's Jess. Welcome back to my channel. This video is long overdue, but it is a Project Life spread. So I told myself initially that I was not going to do Project Life in 2018. There's some video on my channel right now where I have a traveler's notebook all set up and I'm doing a spread in my traveler's notebook, and I'm like, this is what I'm gonna do for 2018 for memory keeping. I'm not gonna do any Project Life. I said that somewhere on this channel. I've said that, but here we are in June and I want to do Project Life. I changed my mind. I want to do Project Life, so that's what we're gonna do. But because it's June, like I said, we have some catch up to do because yeah, I lost my Polaroid zip printer and then I found it, and then yeah, it's just been a lot, but we're about to just do Project Life for 2018. So I'm going to start with May, since June isn't over yet. I'm going to start with May and just work my way through and just play catch up. So you'll probably see some videos in the near future about a Project Life spread for January and February and March and April. Just pretend like we did this on time and we just up to date with everything. But yeah, that's what's about to happen because I just miss Project Life, and I want to make sure that I have a complete year by the end of the year. So that's what we're gonna do. So I'm doing my title card right now, and I am putting these butterfly stamps down, and I'm pretty sure I got these butterfly stamps from Michael's. They were a part of I think they were a part of like a Martha Stewart kit that I got a long time ago. Some Martha Stewart crafts kit that was on sale. I think I got it from there, and so I wanted to use them. I wanted to have like a color scheme of gold and red for this spread, and so that's why I wanted to use those butterflies. For this next card, I am using I'm gonna use some red washi that I got from, I think I got it from Target, and I'm going to put down a card devoted towards Niagara Falls. So if you guys, I have a vlog on my channel right now of I went to Niagara Falls for my birthday. I went solo, went by myself, solo dolo, and it was amazing. And I have all these pictures and footage of Niagara Falls, and I have like these ticket stubs, and I got my boarding pass, and I just got a bunch of stuff from Niagara Falls. So this is kind of why I wanted to do Project Life again, just so I could have somewhere to actually put all this stuff. But yeah, and I also put down some more another butterfly stamp, just because I wanted it to have a little bit more red. And so yeah, this next card is a continuation of Niagara. So it's a selfie of me, and that was actually when I went on the boat tour, like to go actually into the falls, like in the water, the Niagara River. Wow, I can't speak today. The Niagara River, and like actually go into the falls. So fun fact, the red ponchos are from the boat Hornblower that docks from the Canada side, and then if you see people in blue ponchos, that's from Maid of the Mist, and that docks from the American side. So you'll see, like in some of my pictures on the vlog, you'll see there's a boat that has like blue people with blue ponchos, and there's like a boat with people with red ponchos. So fun fact, if you're ever in Niagara, that's my little fun fact for the day. But yeah, so I got this sticker out of I think the quote sticker book, if I'm not mistaken, and it's just a who, what, when, and where sticker. And so I'm just putting down that I went to Niagara Falls on my birthday, and that's pretty much it. I'm not gonna lie, you guys, I didn't really like how that card turned out, and I'm not sure if I want to change it. Right now it's the same, but I'm not sure if I want to change how that card looks, because it was a lot of gold. It was a lot of gold on top of gold, and I don't know. If I do change it, I'll post it to Instagram or maybe like show you guys in another video if I do change it, but for now it stays the same. This next card is devoted towards my mom, so I'm pretty sure I said this in my last Project Life spread for May in 2017, but my mom passed away, and so I put this picture of her headstone, and then I did a lot of journaling, and I cut a lot of that journaling part out of this video because I didn't want you guys to just see me writing like for an extended period of time. But what I wanted to do is just make sure that I journaled from the heart, and just, yeah, it was very, I mean, it wasn't personal because I'm posting it to YouTube, but I just wanted to make sure that my actual thoughts and feelings were on that card. And so I kind of took my time with it, but for the sake of time with this video, I didn't want to like put you guys through that, so I just cut most of that out. But it was pretty much just her headstone, a picture of her headstone, and then a bunch of journaling. And for this card, this is actually my family. So my family, I got together with my family, and we had a cookout and hung by the pool and just sat around and just caught up. And so we took this family picture at the end, and it was really good to just spend time with my family. And so yeah, it was just really, really good to spend time with my family, because I don't really get to spend time with them because we don't live in the same city anymore. So yeah. And then I put down some more of those butterfly stamps because why not? And then I got this Love My Family sticker from the Mom sticker book from Mambi. And this last card, this is the last card that I'm actually going to decorate. The last two cards are going to just be filler cards. But this is the last card that I'm actually going to decorate. And I made this into a journaling card about just the month of May and my birthday and Niagara, and just basically about how excited I am for what the rest of my life is going to bring me. But this is how the entire spread turned out. I'm just showing you guys some close-ups. I did add a Trust the Journey sticker for my title card, but yeah, this is how the entire spread turned out. Very simple, but very cute at the same time. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. Be sure to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.